The San Joaquin County District Attorney is calling for an independent investigation into the Stockton Police Department. A former sergeant and current officer on paid administrative leave appeared in court today, facing charges in two separate crimes.
We're starting to see a pattern here that is very alarming. This is not a position for you to profit from or to sexually exploit people. This is an honor and a privilege to be a law officer in our community.
Today's announcement came after the two appeared in court.
And today, more victims came forward against former Stockton police officer Blode. KCRA 3's Brittany Hope was in court and explains the new claims that were laid out in this court case against Nicholas Blode. Brittany?
Right, and I do want to make it clear, both of these cases that were heard today are not connected, but the district attorney says they hint to larger problems and patterns within the Stockton Police Department. I'll have more on that coming up in a minute. So first, let's talk about what happened in court today. We do want to talk about Nicholas Blode first, so take a look on your screen. He did appear here in court today for the very first time. The judge decided to keep him in jail without bail until his next hearing. According to the district attorney, he has 8 victims, 5 of them assault victims, 2 of them bribery victims, and 1 a prostitution victim. The allegations made against the now former police sergeant go all the way back to January 2019 when he was still with the department. As of last month, the department says he is no longer an officer. The district attorney today said these crimes happened while he was on duty.
In my 35 years in this office, these are some of the most despicable allegations I have encountered against a police officer. I wholeheartedly commend the victims who came forward to share their trauma, as without them, this investigation would not have occurred.
Blode will be here back in court on Friday, and that's when he'll face further arraignment. And also they'll look on his bail, and they'll look to see if they'll amend that. Right now they're holding him on no bail. All right, so now we go to the next case, the next hearing that happened just a few minutes later. That is for current Stockton police officer Nye Tran. So take a look at your screen now. He did also appear in court for the first time today. He's facing charges including grand theft, forgery, ID theft, forging a credit card, and forgery. The district attorney said the alleged victim was a man in his 80s who was under a conservatorship due to certain disabilities. The DA said Tran did not know the victim, but came into contact with him during a call for service. We spoke to his legal team after the hearing.
All I would ask is that folks keep an open mind and reserve judgment. There's a reason why we have a judicial process, and we're going to look closely at the evidence. Obviously, if he's done something wrong, there'll be accountability for that.
And again, Tran is on paid administrative leave with the department. He will be back here in court on December 13th for further arraignment as well. We're live in Stockton. Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
So, Brittany, although these two cases are not connected, as you mentioned, the district attorney told you that she's looking at larger issues at the police department, right?
Right, so she's now recommending a third party investigate the practices and policies at the Stockton Police Department. In fact, she said just this weekend she heard about other potential issues with other officers outside of these two cases. Now, I did reach out to the Stockton Police Department about this. I'm still waiting to hear back right now.
All right, Brittany Hope reporting live for us. Thank you so much.